Hurricanes are massive storms. They form over warm ocean waters. These swirling giants bring strong winds, heavy rain, and storm surges. Hurricanes can cause tremendous damage. They can flood coastlines. Their winds can tear apart buildings. Imagine a force of nature so powerful it can toss cars around like toys. That's the raw power of a hurricane. These storms are a serious threat to life and property. That's why we need to understand them. We need to track their every move. This is where hurricane trackers come in. They are our eyes and ears in the storm. They give us the information we need to stay safe. Hurricane trackers are essential tools. They help us monitor these powerful storms. They use advanced technology. This helps them to locate, follow, and predict the path of hurricanes. Think of them as detectives of the weather world. These trackers are not just one thing. They are a system. This system includes satellites, radar, and computer models. They work together. They give us a complete picture of a hurricane. This information is crucial for everyone. It helps coastal communities prepare. They can evacuate if needed. They can take steps to protect their homes and businesses. Satellites are vital for hurricane tracking. They orbit Earth high above. From their vantage point, they have a clear view of the storms below. Imagine them as our eyes in the sky. These satellites use special instruments. They capture images of hurricanes. They also measure wind speeds. They even measure the temperature of the ocean below. This data is beamed back to Earth. Scientists and meteorologists analyze it. This helps them understand the hurricane's strength, size, and potential path. While satellites provide a wide view, radar gives us a closer look. Weather radars are located along coastlines. They emit radio waves that bounce off raindrops and ice particles within a hurricane. By analyzing these echoes, meteorologists can determine the hurricane's location, intensity, and movement. They can even see the structure of the storm, including the dangerous eye wall. This detailed information is critical for forecasting. It helps predict where and when the hurricane might make landfall. This gives people precious time to prepare. Section 5. The digital profits. Forecasting hurricane paths. Gathering data is just the first step. The real challenge lies in predicting where the hurricane will go next. This is where sophisticated computer models come into play. These models use the data from satellites, radar, and other sources. They perform complex calculations. These calculations factor in atmospheric conditions, ocean currents, and the Earth's rotation. The result is a forecast. This forecast shows the hurricane's projected path. It shows the potential cone of uncertainty. This helps authorities issue timely warnings. It helps people make informed decisions about their safety. Section 6. In the palm of your hand, hurricane tracking apps. Technology has revolutionized how we access information. Today we can track hurricanes in real time using smartphones and computers. Numerous hurricane tracking apps and websites provide up-to-the-minute data and forecasts. These apps offer interactive maps, satellite imagery, and detailed information about a hurricane's strength, speed, and projected path. Many also provide emergency alerts and safety tips. Some popular apps include Hurricane Tracker by Weather Underground, Storm Radar by the Weather Channel, and MyRadar Weather Radar. These apps are user-friendly and provide valuable information for anyone in a hurricane-prone area. Section 7. When warnings save lives. Real stories of hope. The true value of hurricane trackers lies in their ability to save lives. By providing early warnings, they empower people to take action and get out of harm's way. There are countless stories of people who heeded these warnings and survived. In 2017, Hurricane Harvey devastated parts of Texas. However, thanks to accurate forecasts and timely evacuations, the loss of life was significantly lower than it could have been. One family, alerted by a hurricane tracking app, evacuated their home just hours before the storm surge hit. They returned to find their neighborhood flooded, but their lives were spared. Section 8. Be prepared. Using technology to stay safe. Hurricane trackers are powerful tools, but they are most effective when combined with preparedness. By using these technological resources wisely, we can minimize the risks posed by these storms. Familiarize yourself with hurricane tracking apps or websites before hurricane season begins. Know your evacuation route and have a disaster preparedness kit ready. Stay informed about weather updates and heed the advice of local authorities. Remember, knowledge is power. By staying informed and prepared, we can weather the storm.